Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about e to the power of ln a equals to capital A. So we can apply the formula for this one in here. Capital A, that's about s to the power of s. So I can put about e to the power of ln of s to the power of s. And this one, we need to find the limit of ln of s to the power of s, because I can put the limit in here. So we will have like this. Next, we have the second formula in here. That's about ln of a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So in this situation, I can put s go outside about natural law in here. So we have s ln s. For this one, about s, I can write like this. So when s approaches to number 0 on the right, this one they will go to negative infinity. This one they will go to positive infinity. So we have negative infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. So we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about 1 over s. This one we have negative 1 over s squared. Now we simplify 1 over s, 1 over s. And this one, they will go to numerator. You got about negative s. And this one you got about 0. So that means for this one in here, you got about 0. So we will have about e to the power of 0. And you got about number 1. That means the limit of this one equals to number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.